This is BVI Channel 1. You're welcome back again on this platform where we tell you undiluted truth. And as the voice of the people, it is my duty and commitment to ensure that the government of the day will discharge their responsibility, sit up and fulfill the promise they made to the people. Yeah, recently you can notice that I have been highlighting on road infrastructures in Anambra State, and particularly today I want to go on the street to see one of the spots that I highlighted last weekend, talking about the Umoji Mpo Road, specifically around Inland Doors. I want to go there and I want you to go with me and see things for yourself, because on this platform we see it, we say it. Now join me on this ride. Let us have a look at what Challenge for the solution is bringing to the Anambra State. Let's go there. Okay guys, I am around Mpo Junction, heading off towards that Mpo Umoji Road. Let us go and have an assessment, first-hand report of the road I published the other time, Inland Doors. Because when I published that video, some people came up to say that video didn't show much, and the governor have already made statement about the video. Yeah, some people complained that the video didn't say much, but I'm heading towards that place to have a first-hand assessment of what that place looked like. This is some of the hot spots that are so bad and needs rehabilitation. Okay, at this stage it needs rehabilitation of these very spots. I'm driving, so you don't expect much from me, but our target is to get to Inland Doors, getting to the Inland Doors and see what's happening, because from what I heard, there is work that should be ongoing there after the governor had made the statement that that place should be fixed. Inland Doors is just right down there. I'm going to go right down there and see things for myself to be sure that something is being done, because we are told that something will urgently start being done here. So I'm just heading towards Inland Door. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost at Inland Doors. Okay. So from what I am seeing here, I'm going to drive through and turn around again. You see, this is how this place is. We are at Inland Doors. You see this asphalt that is being brought here. It has not been put into use from what I'm seeing so far, but I believe the governor have made a statement on this road. You can see how bad this place is. This road is horrible. So bad. We are right here at Inland Doors. You can see I'm going to turn around and show you on the spot assessment of this road. You can see this is Inland Doors. You guys should pardon me, is the bad road that is throwing me up and down. I think I'll just have to turn around here, then do a quick. So I just have to turn around within Inland Doors so as to do a proper recording of this very bad spot, so that people will see, so that people that are being sent to come and do the work here will not be telling the governor another story while they are doing a different thing. All right. Let me quickly come down and show you guys these bad spots. All right, you can see the challenge one bar for you are seeing it yourself. I thank God that you've made a statement on this road and you've given approval for this road to be fixed.
Inland doors, Tata ka obego. Ta mbiala idemmili. Ana ekwuya. Ka anyị gwala ya, ọ bụrụ nke ka echebe mgbe a ga-eje mewe contract, mewe nke a chọba nke ife adịna. Agwago m ya, the road maintenance agency, they are going to start mobilizing this weekend. I get it next week. Yes. I get it next week.
Right here at Inland Doors, you can see how bad this road has become. This is Inland Doors, you can see that. And I'm at Umoji Road. You can see how bad this road has been. What I've seen so far is that sand are being evacuated from this drainage. That's the sand here you're seeing here. But a whole lot is needed to be done. I'll still show you. There are lots of things to be done here. You can see how bad this road has been. Let me turn around the camera so that you see it properly. So I came here, although I expected work to be done here. I expected that work should be done here immediately. But I can just see just about, will I call it shippings or artifacts that are dumped at the center of the road. I know you've done a first-hand assessment of this road. Up until you get to that spot, okay? Up until you get to that spot, you can see how dilapidated this road had been. And I must tell you that GGM is ensuring that Chalewan Mbafo does not fail in his promise, because his failure is our failure. We vouch for his commitment. We vouch for his determination to make life better for the Anambra State. And we are ensuring that the governor, Chalewan Mbafo, does the right thing at the right time. That is the most important thing. Doing it at the right time is most important when it is needed. You can understand the plight of motorists that ply this road. You can see the situation of the road, and you can confirm that people who pass through this road see hell. You can see that how bad this road is. You can imagine if it rains, what becomes of this road? If it rains, what becomes of this road? Is unimaginable. So this is just the only thing that we're able to see that is happening here so far. It is only this thing that is being poured here. Okay, so we'll be coming back again, not just on this one, but other projects that have been flagged up by the governor. We must come and ensure that the governor does, or the people who are sent to do the work does the right thing. So guys, you can see the extent of the situation of things. We are bringing you this eyewitness report. I'm reporting it myself. Okay, I'm reporting it myself. So I believe Chalewan Mbafo will do the right thing. That's what I believe. Those of you who are watching, help me share this video. Make sure Chalewan Mbafo does the right thing. We can't fold our hands and watch people in government just sit idly, do things shabbily, or not doing it rightly. We are all partners in progress to make sure that life in Anambra State is better for the people. If I have to interview some of these motorists or people who are driving keke, if they share their experience, now you go tire. Buy a flag one, that guy. Chalo, keke driver na anya keke ba. Keke phone na phone oza. Oza drama. Milizu etu ake kunsi agba feba. Oh, okay. On a milizu ne discharge passenger beni. Can you make it Soludo Mobo ne for Yaketa? What will you tell him is your plight?
Because I will tell him that the road you are applying is not good. That you need to rehabilitate it.
Okay, you need to rehabilitate it urgently, eh?
Yes.
All right, thank you very much, eh? So I'm just bringing you the voice of the people. So Shalingwambafo, you can just do the right thing at the right time so that their life will be better for people. So that's why I am out here. So for those of you who are watching, please help me share this video. Here at Inland Doors. So there is no game. We are here to do the right thing. We're here to ensure that the right thing is done. From GGM, Good Governance Ministry, it is my commitment to ensure that government does the right thing so that life will be better for the people. I'm Asuchinet Peters. I'm signing out from here. Please help me share this video and let the government do the right thing. Bye-bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We'll bring you more. In case you have something that you need to tell us, you need to show us, you need to inform us or bring to the notice of the government, please endeavor to record it. If we can't come there, send it across to us and we will speak up for you. Bye-bye for now. Stay blessed and stay safe.